All right, you voted for some warmer weather, and that's what we have. Traffic moving along okay, but we're still below freezing, so roads, sidewalks slippery with a 20-degree reading. We do have some light snow showers at Hector from time to time. Feels like 7. Winds have gusted over 20 miles per hour, but we're starting to see the gusty nature of the winds settle down at least a pinch. Cold up in the northern part of Minnesota, where Roseau County, Lake of the Woods County, northern Beltrami County, where you see these pink colors or shades here, single digits. The rest of us in the teens and still some 20s to the south and west. Now the radar is showing a few flakes, Cass County all the way up Griggs, Steele, Trail County, and the Grand Forks County area. The radar is located right here in Mayville, and that beam shoots up at an angle. And these are shallow clouds in the wintertime, so it can overshoot the tops of clouds, and we may actually be having some snow showers surrounding the area. And in fact, that's what we're seeing on our Skycam network. Hey, there's a storm system we're watching on the west coast. It's brought over a foot of rain the last 2 days for parts of central California, just north of LA. For us, no rain in the forecast. Tonight's concern shifts from wind chill. I'm glad that's gone. We're not worrying about that. The coldest weather, by the way, will be in northern Minnesota tonight by 10 o'clock, near 0 there with some wind chills below 0. The rest of us with the clouds, with the flurries, it'll stay milder in the teens. Overnight, these flurries will continue, but fog will be the concern as we go through the overnight hours. The best chance of that will be down here in the James River Valley into the Sisseton Hills. But we could see patchy fog right here in the Red River Valley. Be aware of that first thing in the morning. We start in the teens. Then we're right back to wind. We're right back to temperatures that will rise into the 20s, and a nice day, but cloudy and windy with more fog setting up tomorrow night. That's what happens when we get this frozen tundra and south winds move air with more moisture in it over the area. We have a trace of snow expected for Saturday and into your Sunday morning for many in eastern North Dakota. A few could see a little over an inch in the Red River Valley. Keep that in mind. Traveling east is where we'll see the majority of the impact of this weekend snow. We have dropped the first alert weather day for Saturday into Sunday, but we still will have some wintry conditions to contend with, just not dangerous ones. Here's a look at your planning forecast as we go through tomorrow. We rise into the 20s. The wind gusting over 25 miles per hour will make it feel wind chilly. And we will have clouds and flurries about the region. Most of us making it to 20 to 25 degrees. Now, here's what we're watching for the week ahead. Look at this big time storm system rolling out of the Rockies, advertised by the American and other models, and it impacts us Wednesday night and throughout the day on Thursday with gusty winds and what could be wind and snow at the same time. The models are suggesting the potential for 6 inches or more in some areas, so we'll keep our eyes on that. Track and timing may change, and in the meantime, this woodpecker grabbing a snack. Sherry, thanks for making this woodpecker smile and helping him prepare for the wintry weather ahead. A little bit of light snow this weekend with temperatures not far from 30 degrees. How about next week as we turn our attention? Quiet. Punxsutawney Phil gives us his forecast on Tuesday, Groundhog's Day. After that, we'll be forecasting what you can expect through the middle and the latter part of next week, which could be impactful with, look at this, falling temperatures, 15 in the morning and then 2 by the afternoon. We're back to some cold in the forecast.